Hello. Today I'm going to be talking about gaining attention and why gaining attention matters, how instructors grab attention, and some examples and strategies of it. Why attention matters. Attention is the gateway to learning. Without having attention, you can't really learn much. You're not going to process everything. You'll be there, you'll be present, but if you don't have the attention of the people, then it doesn't really matter a whole lot anyways, because it's like they're not learning anything really. They're kind of just there and not just going through the process, being there. They're not focused, and you don't have the attention. So, weak versus strong starts. This is important because it makes a big difference in the very beginning of whether or not you get someone's attention. For example, if you start with open your books to this page, then it's just gonna be like another day in the office type thing, just another boring day. But if you have a stronger start, like a surprising fact or a question for everyone to get everyone engaged, this can help really getting everyone engaged early, so that you start off with their attention, and then from there it's just trying not to lose it, because you already have it, but you don't have to fight to gain the attention during the entirety of the thing, of the lesson. Some effective attention-grabbing methods, as I just said, is like a surprising fact. You can tell a short story, like your weekend, stuff that you did, or maybe something that even applies to what you're going to be learning. Asking a question to everyone, because when you ask questions, it gets other people involved, so they have to answer, and then they're focused on what you're talking about. For example, it'd be like, did you know your kitchen sponge has more bacteria than your toilet? It's a weird way to get everyone's attention, but I feel like in this case scenario, it really kind of grabs them, because it's so weird. It makes people kind of think twice, like, what did they just say? That type of thing. Why it works. So the brain notices pattern breaks, and when you're not just going through that same old boring thing, and you do get an attention starter that gets people engaged, people will notice it's different and won't think about it with the same negative connotation. Sets the tone for learning, makes the rest of instruction easier. It engages and absorbs the learner more, and they learn it better because they're actually there mentally. They're not somewhere else, they're actually learning it. Thank you for watching. First event is the key foundation, because if you don't get the attention early, then you're really not getting much. So